Hello everyone, this video is about Mukayama esterification. Basically, esterification has a wide industrial approach which is used in various pharma, food, perfumery, paint, pesticide industries. We all have studied in semester 1 ester hydrolysis as it has 8 mechanistic pathways. In this semester we are going to study ester formation reaction which are prepared from acid and alcohols. The reaction proceeds by using Mukayama reagent which is developed by the scientist Mukayama is known as Mukayama esterification. The actual definition of Mukayama esterification is conversion of carboxylic acid to ester by using N-alkyl 2-halo-pyridinium iodide, that is 2-chloro-1-methyl pyridinium iodide with alcohol is known as Mukayama esterification. This is Mukayama reagent 2-halo 1-alkyl pyridinium iodide. It is in the form of salt. This reagent is discovered by the Mukayama, therefore it is known as Mukayama reagent, as well as the esterification carried out is called as Mukayama esterification. The reaction involves treatment of acid with alcohol by using Mukayama reagent along with base leads to the formation of ester as a product. In semester 1 we have carried out ester hydrolysis by using acid as well as base. It involves acyl as well as alkyl cleavage too. So let's study in this reaction. We have used base. Okay, so either it involves alkyl or acyl cleavage, we can find out here. Okay, so let's study its mechanism. As there is acid as well as base in the reaction medium, this base will abstract acidic proton leads to the formation of carboxylate ion. This carboxylate ion undergo nucleophilic substitution with this Mukayama reagent, where we have studied in Mitsunobu reaction. This carboxylate ion is a weak nucleophilic reagent. It undergo withdrawal of its electron pairs in the pi star of the carbon nitrogen bond of this Mukayama reagent. Hence, charge stabilization of this nitrogen will take place, as well as aromaticity get withdraw here. To get aromaticity back, here again nucleophilic substitution of this lone pair of nitrogen at the sigma star of carbon halogen bond will takes place. So, removal of this halogen involves gaining of aromaticity. Okay. Now, alcohol will attack at the carbonyl carbon. Hence, oxygen becomes negatively charged, which can be stabilized by cleaving this oxygen group. By cleaving this carbon oxygen bond. Okay, means formation of here new carbon alkoxy bond. So here we can see here is a cleavage of this acyl group. Okay, so here it is a acyl cleavage of acid. Acyl cleavage of acid will takes place. So in this reaction we in the product we have acyl group of carboxylic acid and alkoxy group of alcohol leads to the formation of ester as a product. Okay. Now this oxygenated Mukayama reagent on further abstract proton which have been released from this alcohol, hence leads to the formation of this 2-hydroxy N alkyl pyridinium iodide. Applications. Amide formation is similar to esterification reaction mechanism by using Mukayama reagent. Like by using Mukayama reagent similar to esterification, we can carry out amide formation reaction. It involves use of amine instead of alcohol in the reaction by using Mukayama reagent and base. So, removal of one of the proton from this amine and removal of this hydroxy group leads to the formation of amide as a product. Another application involve esterification of acid. Both these reactions have been asked in previous year exam. Okay. In this reaction we can see esterification can be carried out by using ethanol as well as Mukayama reagent and triethylamine. Leads to the formation of leads to the formation of ester. Similarly, in this reaction, let us understand one of the mechanism of one of the application by its mechanism. So, students, here base will abstract acidic proton leads to the formation of carboxylate ion that will attack at the pi star of this reagent which is connected to the carbon nitrogen. Okay. Then followed by removal of this chloride ion leads to the formation of this compound, okay, that can be attacked by the alcohol, hence removal of this removal of this acyl cleavage. It involves acyl cleavage, hence formation of ester as a product will takes place. So, student, here one interesting part involves, we can see here in the previous slide amide formation. Here also one of the amine group is present. So, why doesn't this amine will attack at the carbonyl carbon instead of this oxygen? So, basically student, this amine having lone pair of electron is connected to a benzene ring. Basically this nitrogen having lone pair of electron is connected to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom, sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Whenever this nitrogen having lone pair of electron connected to a carbon which is a sp2 hybridized, or its lone pairs were not localized at this nitrogen. These lone pairs were involved in delocalization. Therefore, these lone pair of electrons on nitrogen are not that much of reactive to attack this carbonyl carbon. Okay. Therefore, here not involvement of this or not formation of amide will takes place. In this reaction only the formation of ester takes place. Okay. Understand? Thank you very much.